Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is RT and I'm back with another video. This time I'm gonna talk to you I'm gonna tell you about the day I took the Hellcat bumper to get painted and installed. I took it to this shop here in downtown San Antonio to get it painted. I managed to fit the bumper inside my car. It was funny, but it fit. It fit in there, so I was able to transport it that way. It didn't bend or crack any of it, so it was good. After that, it took them about a week or so to get this painted, and it came out pretty nice. And here's the final product. I can't complain about it. It came out great. It matches the paint of the car very well. And here you can see how shiny it looks, like OEM almost. And it's time to install. But before we put it on, we gotta remove some of the original parts from the old bumper to the new one, like the side markers and some brackets, support brackets that come with the original bumper. You can either buy those or extract them from the original, and I'll show you those in a moment. And this is a support bracket that comes already pre-installed in your bumper. It is held by some metal rivets, so you can probably drill those and reuse that piece, but I recommend buy a new one. You might end up breaking the bumper if you try to. So in my case, I decided instead buy new and put them on the new bumper, so that way I also have the option of using the other older bumper in the future if I needed to. Also, I forgot to mention there's a harness that connects both side markers together, so you gotta either reuse the one from the old bumper or buy a new replacement one for the new one. So once you have all those pieces together, the harness, the side markers, the brackets, it's time to put it all together and prep it before install. And one of the last things that you gotta do is remove the support piece that comes with your car. If you have the base model, it's gonna come with a plastic support that holds the original bumper, so that won't allow the Ikonmotorsports Hellcat bumper to fit in. You gotta use the one provided by them. It's kind of like a foam support piece, so use that one and remove the original one, and that will be the last thing you're gonna do before installing. If you feel like it's not fitting, it's because of that piece, so just take it apart. It'll fit nicely with the foam piece that comes with the Ikonmotorsports bumper, so don't worry about it.